Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canuel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is my January 2023 message out to the community. Let me start by wishing everyone a happy new year. I hope your holidays were restful and filled with lots of fun, love, and pleasure, and that you head into the new year healthy and ready to meet the challenges which seem to be accumulating in front of us. I wanted to just briefly talk to you about a survey that was conducted recently by a third party out of British Columbia that reviewed the online tutorial program that Learn runs through its virtual campus. The purpose of the survey was to determine if the 30-minute sessions given on a one-on-one basis to our students were having a positive impact, first of all, on their self-confidence, their motivation and desire to learn, and then thirdly, if it was really demonstrating any impact or benefit to the results on their tests and exams. Well, the answer is yes, yes, and yes. Yes, improved self-confidence. Yes, improved motivation. And we're also seeing that they're doing better on tests. This is very, very exciting news because this is hard data that demonstrates unequivocally that we're doing what we set out to do, and that is to have a positive impact on the learning experience for our students. The other thing that we asked is we wanted to find out if the parents who were surveyed, and 1,000 of them answered, we wanted to know if they were satisfied with the tutors, and if the tutors were giving the answers and responding to the needs of the students. Noi was not surveyed in this program. So the parents said yes, the tutors were very responsive, and all of them, incidentally, are certified teachers working inside Quebec. They're not just university students. These are people with experience, with knowledge of our community, knowledge of our students in the program. So the answer is, yeah, they felt very much satisfied with the work of our tutors. When we asked if they'd recommend it, the program to other parents, over 99% said yes. The only complaints that we got were actually almost positives in and of themselves, when they simply stated that we'd like to have more than 30 minutes for our high school students, and we'd also like to see more tutorials made available to the students. The challenge for us there is twofold. One, it's finding the tutors. We have about 200 of them right now. And then secondly, it's also getting the funding. That remains the challenge. We plan on going directly to the minister to plead our case. And then secondly, we want to get out into the media with the results. There should be all tabulated sometime this week, which is the third week of January. They should all be tabulated this week, and we hope that with this information, we'll be able to demonstrate that the program should be fully funded and not subject to any whims, and that we are able to continue this over a number of years. We also hope that they'll look at what we're doing here in the English community as a model for what they can be doing in the on the French side as well. I think it's demonstrated its value, and I think that we could be very, very helpful to our French colleagues. On that barking note, I will let everyone go. I do wish you all well, and I'll see you next month.